You are about to embark on a delightful journey. How cute is this, you guys? Don't stifle the trifle. It's delightful. Now it's like a creamy, cheesy potato thing with potato chips on the outside. I'm not sure how you beat that. I mean, isn't this a cute cake for kids? Happy birthday, 1972. Oh, wow, that is really good. It's a lot better than the chicken a la king I had as a child. Just remember, you want pulp. It's sort of a bright, beautiful flavor, you know? I'm gonna saute these until they're soft, and then I'm gonna add some brandy. That's lovely. I bet you this gets really good the longer it sits. So flavorful. Looks pretty good. If you're nervous, use a timer. Don't touch it, don't try to move it, don't panic. It's gonna be a good night for you if you serve this. We love you, and thank you so much for watching Dinner Party.